Yo, what is going on, guys? Today we're going to be getting into more of the best reselling products and vendors of 2026 for you guys to check out. All links for these products will be down in the description below, so you can check them out from there. Again, down in the description below, so check them out down there for all the links. And if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing while you're down there, that'd help me out a lot. So let's get into our first product of the day, a good hoodie. So as you can tell, it looks good. It's high quality. The reviews love it, and I typically stick with this color down here. And then you look at the reference, this goes for $140, and then this one over here goes for $54. So you put this up for about $100, you make $45 every single time someone checks one out, which is great profit margin for anyone looking to resell. So I definitely recommend it. And now let's get into some sandals. So you can really go with any of these colors. It goes for about $43, and the reviews like it. It's high quality. The logo looks really nice, and you can check out, since that's $43, this one over here is $169. So you put this up for like you probably $120, and you make a solid what would it be? Solid $80 every single time someone checks one out, which is a great one to look into. And I would definitely recommend this product. So let's get into our third and final one of the day. It is a cologne. So Stronger With You, absolutely. I would definitely recommend it. Lots of people like it. Good reviews. So this goes for $37, and this one on the Amazon site goes for $135. So the profit margin there is really definitely really good. You put this up for about $100, and you make, what would it be, 70? No, not 70. It'd be like $63 every single time someone checks it out, which is a great, pretty good price difference. So that's all for today. Love you guys. How are you guys? I'm hoping you guys are doing well. Just so you know, if any of these links are down by the time you get to this video, if you're like watching this a month down the line, just check out my newest video. I post once a day, so you'll be able to see new vendors from there that are more updated and work better. I'll add a little video tag in the corner if you want to check out any more of my videos and any more of my vendors. And that will be all for today. Love you guys. Have a great rest of your day, and good luck on your reselling journey.